So in our previous session, we talked about React components and its architecture. Let's now take a closer look at the React code. But first, let's start setting up our development environment. So in order to develop any React app, we need Node.js. Node.js is a JavaScript runtime environment which provides the platform to develop and run our React applications. You can download Node.js from their official website. After downloading Node.js, you can install it and check whether it's installed successfully on your machine by running the command node-v on your terminal or command prompt. If everything goes fine, then you will see the latest version of Node.js installed on your machine. Our next step is to create React project. I'm going to use Vite. You can use any build tool of your choice. So if I click on Get Started, I can see the documentation of Vite and also how to create a new project using npm yarn, and I'm going to create our project by using the following command. Instead of Vue, I'm going to use React since we want to create a React project. So the command that I'm going to write is npm create vite @latest. Since I want to use the latest version of React, then the name of our project, let's call it my app, and the template will be React. Once I press enter, it is going to ask me few questions. So since I want to proceed, I'm going to type Y, press enter again. Now it is giving me few options to choose a framework of my choice. I'm going to select React as a framework, JavaScript as a variant, and our React project will be created. So if I open this project in Visual Studio Code or any other IDE of my choice, we are going to talk about all the components present in this tree structure in our upcoming session. For now, if I'll go to src directory and click on app.jsx, app.jsx acts as the root page or the main page which will be executed when we run our program. Let's try running our program. But before running our program, we need to install all the dependencies which are required to run this program. So if you look at package.json, you can see that this file contains list of all the dependencies which will be required to run our program. In order to install these dependencies, we can use the following command npm install. If I press enter, it is going to download and install all the dependencies mentioned in package.json. So all the dependencies have been installed, and these dependencies are installed inside node_modules folder. Now if I run this program by using the command npm run dev, then the terminal will present us with the URL of our current React app. So if I go to the following URL, localhost 5173, then I'll get this beautiful Vite plus React homepage, which is nothing but this exact same code written here inside app.jsx. So if I make changes to this code, the same changes will be reflected on this page. Let's quickly comment out all the code and replace this code with HTML div h3 hello reverse. Now if I save this file, go back to the page, you can see the changes are reflected immediately.